Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect MT5 to your Vantage account. Just follow these steps so you can set up your trading account and start using MetaTrader 5 right away. First, open your browser and go to the Vantage website. Log in with your account, and once you're on the home page, tap Accounts. Next, click Open an Account and select Demo Account. I'll use a demo account for this tutorial. In the Trading Platform section, it will automatically be set to MetaTrader 5. Now choose your account type, select your account currency, set your leverage, and enter your account balance. Once everything is set, click Submit, then tap I know to confirm. Your demo account will now be created, and you'll also receive an email containing your login ID, password, and server details. Keep that email handy because you'll need it for MT5. Next, open your MetaTrader 5 app. Click on File, then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type Vantage and wait for the results to load. You'll see many Vantage servers. Choose the correct one based on what's listed in your email. For this example, I'll select Vantage International Group Limited, then tap Next. Choose Connect with an existing trade account. Now enter your login ID, password, and make sure to select the exact server that was included in your email. Once done, tap Finish, and your Vantage account will be successfully connected to MT5. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect your Vantage account to MetaTrader 5 anytime.